To write English shorthand inter second paper in a better manner, students must thoroughly practice advanced outlines relates to various letters. November 1982. Advertisement advanced outlines requires candidates should be graduates, age below, other allowances, advertisement, full particulars, passport size photograph, called for interview, will not be, traveling allowance, application, testimonials, Madras, draft advertisement, tender notice, advanced outlines, sealed tenders are invited on behalf of Telegraphs Department, earnest money, tender forms, non-refundable, can be obtained, office hours, on any working day, should be sent, will be opened on same day, in presence of tenderers, right to reject any tender without assigning reason, draft tender notice for publication, newspaper, business letter, advanced outlines, draft letter to the manager, Indian Bank, Madras, Rajan and Company, Annasalai, Madras, for rupees 5,000, Central Bank, New Delhi, in due course, receipt of letter, eyewitness account, advanced outlines, there was, injured, imagine, eyewitness account, circular, advanced outlines, raw materials, central government, have been, 10%, draft circular, sales manager, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, get ready, start. 1. A nationalized undertaking requires clerks. Candidates should be graduates, must know typewriting, age below 25 years, pay scale rupees 400 to 800, other allowances as per rules. Candidates should apply within 10 days of the advertisement, giving full particulars with passport size photograph. Candidates called for interview will not be paid any traveling allowance. Application with copies of testimonials should be addressed to box number 30, care of the Hindu, Madras, draft advertisement. 2. Sealed tenders are invited on behalf of Post and Telegraphs Department for supply and installation of air conditioning plant for telephone exchange buildings at Rajaji Nagar, Bengaluru. Earnest money rupees 20,000. Tender forms costing rupees 40 and non-refundable can be obtained from Executive Engineer, Post and Telegraph, Electrical Division, Bengaluru, during office hours on any working day. Tenders should be sent before 3 p.m. 3rd December 1980. Tenders will be opened at 4 p.m. on same day in presence of tenderers. Right to reject any tender without assigning reason reserved. Draft tender notice for publication in newspaper. 3. Draft letter to the manager, Indian Bank, Mylapore, Madras, from Mrs. Rajan and Company, Annasalai, Madras, enclosing check for rupees 5,000 drawn on Central Bank of India, New Delhi, asked him to credit the amount to their current account number 40 and send intimation thereof in due course. Also request him to acknowledge receipt of letter and check. 4. There was an accident involving a lorry and a bus on the trunk road near Changalpet. Lorry was standing near petrol bunk. Bus, which was coming from behind, dashed against lorry. The lorry proceeded forward and killed the cleaner who was standing in front and attending to some repair in the vehicle. None of the passengers in the bus was injured. A large crowd gathered, obstructing the traffic. Police came, cleared the traffic, and arrested the driver. The bus passengers were sent by some other bus. Imagine yourself as a passenger and write an eyewitness account. 5. Venus Rubber Works Coimbatore informs dealers that due to increase in cost of raw materials, establishment charges, and increase in taxes payable to state and central government, the prices of cycle and rickshaw tires have been increased by 10% with effect from 1st April 1980. Draft circular from sales manager. Stop.